Hi guys, Adam from Electricus, welcome back to another video. So in this second episode, we're going to show you everything that we've done on our projects within the past month, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
In this video, we're going to show you how to use your Control4 Smart Home. So what we've done is we've got our 1 dot and 2 dot on the remote control. So 2 dots turns off all the lights in the room when you're watching TV, nice and simple. TV's paused or turned off and you haven't got your phone on you, you want to turn all the lights on, simple 1 button press and it turns on all the lights in the room.
Thank you guys so much for watching the second episode of Electricus Monthly. If you guys did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button down below. And you know what? To end this video, we're going to do it the classical Kyri style.